चलो मंत्र के साथ ओम स्वस्ति न इंद्रो वृधस्रवः स्वस्ति न पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमि स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु ओम भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयामदेव भद्रं पश्येमाश्रियजत्रा स्थिरैरङ्गैः तुष्टुवांसस्तनुवसेमहे देवहितं यदायुः ओम भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ओम भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् स्वाहा ओम भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ओम त्र्यंबकं यजामहे सुगंधिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् ओम त्र्यंबकं यजामहे सुगंधिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात् ओम त्र्यंबकं यजामहे सुगंधिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्यो शाकाहारम शाकाहारम बाजार में सब्जी को खरीदते ही है। तो संस्कृत में क्या क्या बताया जाता है बच्चों में कुछ इस प्रकार के नाम है। बोलो भारत शाकाहारम का मतलब क्या? सब्जी मंडी आट बोलते हैं ना, आट बोलते हैं ना। बहुत अच्छा, बहुत बहुत
And today we are going to perform a musical jar experiment in front of you. First of all, we have taken 5 empty jars, each of having same masses. Then we are going to hit each of the jar with a metal spoon. It can be heard that each of the jar producing the same sound, but after adding water in each of the jar with different water levels,
पहली बार हुआ है। बहुत बहुत नया करते हैं।
now we are going to add different color to each of the jars. Now again we are going to hit each of the jar with a metal spoon. This time we can hear that sound is different. This is because when the jars were empty, they were vibrating with the same frequency due to smaller masses. But when the jar has maximum water level, the mass increased due to increased mass. The increased mass make it harder for the jar to vibrate, causing it to vibrate at lower frequency. But when the jar has less water level, the mass reduced, allowing it to vibrate at higher frequency. This can be heard from each of the different jars, and this
ओम इंद्रो बृहस्पतिः स्वस्तिनः पूषां सवेदा स्वस्ति नः साक्षो अरिष्टनेमि स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु ओम भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवा भद्रं वसेमाक्षयत्र स्थिरैरङ्गे चतुर्वांशस्संवीर्यसेवै देवहितं यदायु ओम भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्।
आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस इसका क्या रोल है एआई का?
किसी का भी आवाज या फिर फोटोज चेंज कर सकते हैं।
थोड़ा साउंड थोड़ा सा हल्का कम रखिए आवाज का। एटीएम वैसा लगता है निकाली।
First ATM invented by John Shepherd in London. He is Indian born in Meghalaya, city Dong. First ATM invented in 27
फंक्शन कैसा करता है? जो है थोड़ा सा गलती की टीचर कहाँ है सर क्या है बताइए
Good morning, respected chief priest, ma'am, principal sir, and other dignitaries present here. Myself, Aditya Kumar Jaiswal, and we are here to present the trading model of coal mines. First of all, let us start with some information that this was
कैसा लगा 50 स्टूडेंट्स हो गया क्लास कैसा लगा
experience best था दोस्तों.
इसमें देखो किस टाइप का लोग जो है वाटर पूरा बिजली चल रहा लाइट जो चल रहा एसी जो चल रहा उसके लिए कितना लोग मेहनत करता है इस परिस्थिति में काम करता है उसको फील किए हो
Yes, sir.
थैंक यू आपका फादर क्या करता है
मैनेजमेंट के मैनेजर सारा ऑफिस में
सारा ऑफिस आपका
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Good morning, sir. Good morning. I am Vivek Sharma. We are from class 12 science. Today, yes, sir. We are excited to present our groundbreaking project that merges technology and efficiency. That is our firefighting robot. This robot can help reduce the risks of firefighters by entering dangerous situations like areas where filled with fire, smoke, and etc. In India, over 60 people die every day due to fire. But let's explore it.
So this is a working model. और ये पूरा सेंसर में वर्क करता है. इसमें हमने पूरा प्रोग्रामिंग भी अंदर से सब कुछ किया हुआ है. और सर ये सब सेंसर है. और यहाँ पर जैसे सेंसर फायर सेंस करता है वो ये आर्डिनो बोर्ड में सर इनपुट भेजता है और सर उसी से आउटपुट आता है जिससे कि हमारा सर अपने आप फायर सेंस करते जाएगा. जैसे कि इसका देखते हैं जैसे फायर जाएगा अपने आप जाएगा. तो और ये मोटर है ये अपना वाटर स्प्रेड करेगा. इसमें हम वाटर स्प्रेड करेंगे सर. और अगर हाई स्केल पर बनाए तो हम इसको फैक्ट्री में भी रख सकते हैं ऑटोमेटिकली फायर से एक्सटिंग्विश कर सकते हैं. थैंक यू सर.
It's an innovative device which uses electromagnetic forces, which is used in planes, elevators, and many industries. It offers precise control and durability and quick response. They don't need any physical touch or maintenance. It only needs electricity and electromagnetic function. As you can see, this slow down the speed.
Okay, thank you.
And it will not require any physical.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, ma'am. We are the students of class 12 PCM and we have made this model of electromagnetic induction in which we have taken two coils. One of them is connected to an energy source and when you turn on the switch, the electric charge flows from the first coil through which an electric field is generated around the coil. The second coil then comes in contact with the first coil. This electric current is induced in the second coil due to which the coil is moved. Nowadays, these types of systems are used in modern vehicles for charging without wires, wireless charging.
ये कैसा रोड में अगर एनिमल्स आएंगे ये डिवाइस का ट्रेन में जाते हैं ये जो आता है हाथी आगे तरफ से करते हैं इस टाइप के कोई डिवाइस अगर स्लो डाउन करने का मिलेगा बहुत अच्छा है बहुत बढ़िया
Good morning, sir. This is Categorical Experiment, and this is the experiment from the Jesus Council on electrons and neutrons in the atom. When we connect this wire from battery, this is a high voltage generator which makes plasma in this vacuum tube. Plasma can be seen only for 2 or 3 minutes, few seconds, because this vacuum tube takes air after some seconds. Sir, this vacuum tube takes
ओके लो
इस ईयर में हुआ ये मानकर कब किया मैंने तो आज नहीं
These are the jumper wires. This is the ultrasonic sensor, and this is the servo motor. This is the mega programming cable which will be connected to the laptop, and the further to the experiment.
So sir, as you can see here, whenever any object or any unidentified object will come in front of this, it will show red lines as a signal that something is coming in our radar, and you can see direction and distance of that object. Here you can see the distance of this object and the finger which is now please explain how does this works. So this is a ultrasonic sensor. It has two major parts. This one is transmitter and this one is receiver. The transmitter sends sound waves which speed is more than sound, that is 343 meters per second, and the receiver catches back.
The aim of our project is save energy by using sensor light. As the darkness increases, light starts to light is. But as we know that when we see that in daytime the lights are in the on mode. So when we automatic straight light saves the energy. As the darkness increases, the sensor is covered by the darkness energy by not any process. This helps us save energy, and we all know that what is the cost of so this is the sensor. When we cover it, or you can say that when the darkness increases, light are automatically start. And however, the sun starting the blinding the light or is automatically off. We save our energy and children for this excellent activity. Thank you so sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide. The factory produces harmful gases like carbon dioxide and sulfur dioxide. These gases mixed with rainwater and make acid. The acid can damage soil, trees, buildings, monuments, and trees. As we fall on buildings or monuments made up of marble like Taj Mahal, acid reacts with marble. This is the main purpose here to represent my project on the environmental change. The main cause of environmental change is human activity that releases harmful gases like carbon dioxide and methane into the atmosphere. Burning of fossil fuels, oils, gases generate electricity and heat energy. Deforestation and soil depletion is a water body. If this will continue with our earth look like this, the technique to save the earth from the environmental change and the using of the wind, and solar energy. Reduce recycling instead of depositing near water body. Using of planting trees instead of cutting down. Thank you so much.
What's your good name? What's your good name?
My name is Asif Sultana. Asif Sultana.
What is this? What it called? Molten magma. Molten magma. Eruption. Good morning to my respected sir and ma'am. Today we present a model of rainwater harvesting. Rainwater harvesting is a way to collect rainwater when it rains, effectively reducing our dependence on groundwater.
Why rain harvesting is required? Why rain harvesting is
Harvesting of water is processes by allowing rural and urban areas as well as rural and urban areas. This is the going to the water and when this is returning to the tank. Good morning everyone. First of all, a very happy Republic Day to all of you. Today we have made a water dispensing machine and it basically has been made from 60 to 70% reusable bottles. It has a motor inside it which works on the principle of centrifugal force. Whenever we press it starts pouring water, and nowadays it is very much important because, for example, you are eating food, your hands are dirty. So how will you take water? The manual tap will also get dirty. So you have to just put the glass here, press it, and the water will automatically come out.
You're in class 12? Class 7?
Yes, I'm 7 and 8.
Good morning everyone, this is our project made by this is our business satellite. This satellite is satellite that on our meter rotating with Earth and appear Earth stationary from the ground. It is used for weather forecasting, communication and for weather and for the ground.
At the height of 23,300 meters, the Earth is rotating at the same speed of the Earth from west to east. They use thruster and reaction wheels to increase the position of the Earth to increase the position relative to the Earth's rotation. And this is our solar system, which consists of 8 planets that are. Good morning, sir. I'm Preksha Sakran and he's my friend Priyanshu Kumar. Today we will talk about human heart. It's a piece-sized muscle that pumps blood through four chambers, 2 atrium and 2 ventricles. The heart pumps blood in a loop. The right side of the heart sends blood to the lungs and the left side of the blood of the heart sends blood to the rest of the body. We have used red color to represent oxygenated blood and blue color for represent deoxygenated blood.
Pumps about 7,750 liters of blood in a day without any body can't function. That is why taking care of it is so important. In conclusion, this 3D art model emphasizes the role of human art in our daily life.
This is
Good morning, sir. Our project is called hemodialysis. Hemodialysis is a process of fixing blood. Actually, generally done when the kidneys of a human being fails to filter blood properly. So it's a medical equipment. Let me show you how this works. Here, tubes are connected with hand. One is the main apparatus, another is the apparatus. The tube main apparatus has a pump. The function of this pump is to maintain a steady flow and pump the blood into the dialysis box. And as there is a specific terminal membrane, the process of body also happens and the blood gets released. And the purified blood is then pumped back again into the body.
सुप्रभात महोदय, हमने ये भक्तिकाल की कहानी को दर्शाया। ये है तुलसीदास जी जिन्होंने श्री रामचरितमानस लिखा है, ये है सूरदास जी जिन्होंने सागर लिखा है, ये है कबीरदास जी जिन्होंने रिजक की रचना की है, ये है मलिक मोहम्मद जैसे जिन्होंने पद्मावत की रचना की है।
मेरा क्या होगा
ठीक है,
नो प्रॉब्लम। ओवरवेट है ना मैडम सामने है सर। ओवरवेट कितना
ईर आ गई। हमारे फादर यहाँ टीचर है नहीं, क्या नाम है? अक्सर।
आज हम आपके सामने इसका नामकरण गुड्डा में किया गया है। इस काल का प्रथम कविता कई विद्वान विभिन्न की कली को मानते हैं। इस काल की विशेषता है कल्पना की प्रधानता, राष्ट्रीय सांस्कृतिक उदाहरण, नारी संस्कृति। यहाँ पर मैंने छायावत के 4 का प्रयास किया है। इसमें सर्वप्रथम मैं महादेवी वर्मा कवित्री महादेवी वर्मा की
सिक्स में कितना मार्क्स लगे थे? 80 में कितना, इंग्लिश में कितना मार्क्स मिला?